an endless symphony of alignment is playing out in the universe, working in perfect harmony with your innermost desires. As you embrace the limitless potential within you, the universe is always prepared to fulfill your deepest aspirations. There is a profound proclamation by Jesus hidden in the depths of ancient wisdom, full of mysterious insights that only a chosen few can completely understand. Despite its apparent simplicity, this phrase carries profound meaning and reverberates with an incomprehensible depth. You can find this proclamation made by Jesus in Luke 11:9-10. The message I want to convey is this: if you ask, you will receive. If you search, you will find. And if you knock, you will be answered. To whoever asks, I will give, the saying goes. And to whom I seek, I will reveal. Among the numerous possible interpretations of these words, the one that most grab our attention is the way in which Jesus reveals the abundant nature of existence via them, a world in which one need only speak their desire and see it come to fruition. Nevertheless, a lot of us can end up saying, I have been besieged countless times, yet my desires remain unfulfilled, and overlook a hidden truth that escapes our restricted perspective is the root cause of this confusion. We are born with an incredible ability to create. This ability is fundamental to who we are. All of our being is encompassed by this force, not just our thoughts. With each passing second, our lives are being woven together like a tapestry, with every apparently little choice becoming a thread. Everything we do, from the clothes we wear to the music we listen to, has the potential to influence our own paths, no matter how big or little. Every one of us is involved in the sacred process of creating our own world, just like a master craftsman. Every one of our deeds, intents, and contemplations weaves its own unique thread into the wondrous fabric of existence, just as the cosmic dance does. We find the mysterious key that opens the door to our wishes in this interaction of creation. Today, we will delve into profound self-reflection as we investigate a unique viewpoint that presents itself. Our insatiable appetite for knowledge is stoked by this discovery, which compels us to seek answers to the riddles of our existence, discover our latent talents, and ultimately achieve happiness. Seeking anything goes beyond the simple act of speaking or the passing ideas that go through our heads in the complex web of life. Transmitting our desires to the cosmos and making them a reality demands the activation of our total self, every part of our creation. Our environment must mirror our aspirations and values. Think about people who are obsessed with accumulating wealth. The dissonance between their wants and their actions happens when their choices run counter to the abundance they desire. Their sincere requests are granted by the cosmos, only to be disregarded as a result of their own contradictory actions. We need to think about a few really important things as we move through this mysterious dance with the universe. First, there is an overwhelming feeling of need that reverberates through our entire being as we express our wants and needs. Our plea, an expression of deficiency that echoes throughout space and time, is strangely motivated by this need. The impact of thanks, though, is greater than that of requests alone. When we truly appreciate something, we not only show that we are grateful for what we have, but we also encourage a deeper sense of abundance inside ourselves. More good fortune and prosperity will find their way into our life as a result of this positive vibration. It follows that merely expressing our wants is grossly insufficient. The key to realizing our dreams is bringing our ideas, intentions, and deeds into perfect harmony with one another. as we move through life's complex web, we see that negative emotions like envy, sloth, rumors, and self-doubt block the path to prosperity. The seeds of prosperity lie dormant inside us, drowned out by negative ripples. So, if we think like that and dare to ask for a lot of money, we won't get it. In the face of numerous competing ideas, the one about plenty disappears into the background. Because of the resulting energy that is at odds with one another, our desires are less likely to come true. Sadly, ensnared in their own mental illusions, many continue to deny this reality. When confronted with a strong desire to ask for something, it's best to think about it in terms other than money. Rather, let us wholeheartedly embrace the profound idea of abundance, understanding that money is just a symbol and not always necessary in and of itself. Looking at things from a different angle allows us to surpass the constraints of material prosperity and tap into an infinite well of potential. Through this life-altering adventure, we can explore the depths of our own minds, revealing the complexity of our wants and reimagining what it means to have an abundance mindset. The powerful resonance of the word abundance captures a deep and vast viewpoint. Fundamentally, it alludes to the honor of our soul conducting the cosmic symphony via the channels of our physical and mental selves. We traverse the earthy realm and bring forth the manifestation of abundance through this multidimensional expression. If we want to tap into its full potential, we can't limit abundance to only ideas. What we do, fueled by thankfulness and compassion, is just as important. There can be no hesitancy or fear as we go forth on this great trip. On the contrary, we are urged to fully embrace the profound realization that the cosmos is ready and waiting to make all our desires a reality in this physical world. Though not everyone is ready to completely comprehend its deep ramifications, the truth that is echoed in Jesus' speech remains. Persistent anxiety hinders its effectiveness and restricts its capacity to bring about change. In order to muster the strength to ask for abundance, we must free ourselves from the chains of inadequacy, jealousy, fear, and uncertainty. Because we enter a state of self-sabotage, when these feelings are combined with our ambitions, we are unable to bring about the riches we desire because of this internal conflict. When we approach the cosmos with fear and doubt, we unintentionally convey conflicting messages. It shows that we don't believe our dreams will come true. Consider this. Dissonance arises when someone asks for abundance while secretly harboring feelings of unworthiness or doubting their ability to receive. This emotional and mental back and forth creates a wall that blocks the free flow of riches. They beg for plenty, yet don't believe they deserve it or will ever get what they want, as if sending a contradictory message to the cosmos. In addition, if we allow ourselves to be envious of other people's wealth, it will only serve to dampen our own ambitions. A belief in scarcity, based on a mindset of inadequacy, is the core cause of envy. It's as if there's a finite amount of wealth in the world, but the universe functions according to the lofty idea of limitless opportunity and abundance for everyone. Envy prevents good fortune from flowing into our own lives, even when we mean well. Equally, we unconsciously perpetuate a condition of scarcity within ourselves when we believe in our own inadequacy or when we feel inadequate about our resources or talents to bring abundance into our lives. Because of these restrictions that we impose on ourselves, we are unable to flow in harmony with the ever-present tide of plenty. A path of introspection and self-reflection is required if we are to fully accept the possibility of plenty. If we want to overcome feelings of worthlessness, doubt, jealousy, or lack, we need to explore our inner landscape and identify the beliefs and emotions that fuel these negative emotions. We may free ourselves from these limitations and make room for abundance to flow easily into our lives by shedding light on these shadows. There may be an internal restriction, an unseen wall that prevents you from harmonizing with the universe's bountiful nature. A lack of self-confidence may be the root cause of this restriction, which manifests in many ways. It shows up as an insatiable hunger for new experiences, a yearning for genuine relationships, and an endless need for more time. We appeal to the idea of God when we say that everything in the cosmos is always working to your advantage. Within this framework, the cosmos and God are interchangeable, communicating the same deep truth. The cosmos, in all its grandeur, will always be there to back you up on your path. The more we learn about the divine, which includes everything about our shared existence, the more this viewpoint rings true. The exact substance through which we communicate with the cosmos is the holy energy that flows through our bodies. No matter how far away you are, the power of your imagination knows no limits. It acts instantly in the universe of possibilities. Having faith is essential, though, when this creative energy manifests in a human body. So, even though logic and perception seem to be at odds with our imaginative deeds, we must totally accept them as genuine. To open the gates of manifestation, one must have unshakable faith in the power of one's imagination. In order to bring our inner visions into harmony with the real world, we need to have deep faith in our imaginative works. The cosmos reacts to our unwavering faith by coordinating the coming together of events that fulfill our dreams, as we participate in this beautiful dance of believing and creation. When we do this, we open ourselves up to the transformational potential inside, which can lead to a reality beyond what our senses can experience. The ethereal bridge that links the world of subjective hope with the realm of objective manifestation can be crossed through the embrace of faith, a source of boundless creative energy fed by your own imagination resides deep inside you. This powerful energy allows dreams and ambitions to leave the realm of abstraction and become real, physical things. However, there is a catch in the domain of developed human imagination. It necessitates not just visualizing, but also the steadfast acceptance of faith. When you persuade yourself that your fantasies are true, a strong belief sets in. While you are in this meditative condition, your desires will come true, regardless of the obstacles you face. The world you imagine and the world you believe in are both shaped by your imagination and your faith. Getting out of bed in the morning isn't just about having the physical strength to do it. It's also about having faith in our own abilities and the simplicity of that belief. It is proof of our steadfast faith, a profound conviction that we will rise from our slumber and welcome the dawn. When we mistrust our abilities to rise, though, we stay immobile in our bed of uncertainty. Understanding that mental strength alone cannot bring about results is of the utmost importance. Instead, what really matters is that we are conscious and have unfaltering confidence. In this understanding, we must let go of our reliance on outside forces and put our confidence in the life-altering potential of religion. There are innumerable stories of people who overcame poverty and hardship by drawing on their inner resources of creativity and ultimately achieved greatness. Therefore, what makes your situation unique? Because we are all divine at our core, we have the ability to rise above and find success and abundance in our lives. Consequently, let us set off on a deep inward journey, shedding layers of fear, growing in unfaltering faith, and harmonizing our minds, hearts, and deeds with the cosmic pulse. Together, our beliefs and deeds can bring our dormant power to life, allowing us to co-create a world where our deepest aspirations are graciously granted. Please consider giving our channel a thumbs up and subscribing if you found this message meaningful. Leave a comment below to share your ideas and experiences, and make sure to share this video with your loved ones who might benefit from its message. I appreciate you tuning in and standing by. Be well, and I will see you very soon.